Living in Houston means enjoying warm weather most of the year, but it also means dealing with humidity, heat, and air that can feel heavy inside your home. Good ventilation isn't just a comfort feature here, it's a necessity. That's where casement windows truly shine. Designed to open wide and capture fresh breezes, casement windows are one of the most effective window styles for improving airflow in Houston homes. Designed to catch the breeze, unlike sliding or double-hung windows that only open partway, casement windows swing outward on side hinges, similar to a door. This design allows the entire window opening to be exposed. In Houston's climate, where even a light breeze can make a noticeable difference, this matters a lot. Casement windows act like a sail, catching outside air and directing it into your home. When positioned strategically, such as facing prevailing winds, they can dramatically improve cross-ventilation, pulling fresh air in and pushing stale air out. Better airflow, less reliance on AC. Houston homeowners often rely heavily on air conditioning to stay comfortable. While AC is essential during peak summer months, improved natural ventilation can reduce how often your system needs to run, especially during mornings, evenings, and milder seasons. Casement windows allow you to cool your home naturally by flushing out trapped heat and humidity. This not only helps your home feel fresher but can also lower energy usage and reduce strain on your HVAC system, something every Houston homeowner appreciates during long cooling seasons. Ideal for humid conditions, humidity is one of the biggest comfort challenges in Houston homes. Poor airflow allows moisture to linger, which can lead to musty odors, condensation, and even mold issues over time. Casement windows help combat this by promoting consistent air movement. Opening them wide allows humid indoor air to escape more efficiently, especially in moisture-prone areas like kitchens, bathrooms, and laundry rooms. Better ventilation means drier air, improved comfort, and a healthier indoor environment for your family. Easy control over fresh air. Another major advantage of casement windows is how easy they are to operate. Most feature a smooth crank mechanism, allowing you to open them precisely as much, or as little, as you want. This gives you complete control over airflow, even during light rain or windy conditions. For Houston homes with hard-to-reach areas, such as above sinks or countertops, casement windows are especially practical. You don't have to struggle to open them, which means homeowners are more likely to actually use them for ventilation. Sealed tight when closed. Ventilation is important, but so is keeping the heat out when windows are closed. Casement windows provide an exceptionally tight seal when shut, pressing firmly against the frame. This helps block out hot outdoor air, humidity, and dust when you need to rely on air conditioning. For Houston homeowners, this balance, excellent airflow when open and strong insulation when closed, makes casement windows a smart, year-round solution. A comfortable, breezier home. From improving airflow and reducing humidity to enhancing everyday comfort, casement windows are well suited for Houston's climate. They give homeowners the flexibility to enjoy fresh air when conditions allow and maintain energy efficiency when temperatures rise. If you're looking for a window style that works with Houston's weather, not against it, casement windows offer a practical, comfortable, and homeowner-friendly way to enhance ventilation and improve how your home feels every day.